ABC4's Jordan Burrows live for us in Summit County. And Jordan, you talked to the health director. What are they talking about tonight?
Yeah, Nick, Dr. Phil Bondurant says that he doesn't want what happened in Salt Lake County to happen with Summit County here. He says that, well, first of all, he's the health director at Summit County. He says he worked together with the county council and also with the State Board of Education, and says he likes what they came up with. Masks are not required in middle schools or high schools in Summit County, but elementary schools, it could look different.
These matters are not only important, they're very emotional.
Dr. Phil Bondurant is the Summit County Health Director. He says under the new order starting this Wednesday, face coverings would be required if any individual elementary school campus reaches a 2% 14-day COVID-19 positivity rate among the total number of students, staff, and faculty.
We are doing the best we can to protect these children and help keep them in schools this entire school year so they can focus on learning, having fun, social interactions in that elementary school rather than what's happening with the COVID pandemic.
The pandemic has been fought off well in Summit County. According to the Utah COVID-19 data, out of the almost 20,000 hospitalizations from the virus, about 200 of those have come out of Summit County. However, Dr. Bondurant says because the vaccine is not available to elementary-aged school children yet, masks need to be required if that threshold is met.
And so it's a very motivated topic. It's emotionally driven, and it should be. It's parents looking out for the best interests of their children.
He adds parents have given him very positive messages since the announcement.
Our main goal is to get through the school year, be kind, keep people happy and healthy, and let's get past COVID together so that we can return to normal.
Because of how the legislation is written in Utah, that order will be reviewed in 30 days. Bondurant says that the mask order in place, parents and students will know ahead of time if that 2% threshold is met. They'll have about a 1 or 2 days notice, maybe even more, that they will need to wear those masks in schools, those 6 elementary schools. He also does say that if students do not comply, there will be disciplinary actions. Reporting live in Summit County, Jordan Burrows, ABC4 News.
Okay, thanks, Jordan. The COVID